Forgotten Igbo Supermen. Dick Tiger, born August 14, 1929, in Emegbo, Nigeria, was a legendary Nigerian boxer who became a world middleweight and light heavyweight champion in the 1960s. He learned boxing from British military officers and began his professional career in Nigeria in 1952. He struggled early after moving to England in 1955, but soon gained recognition, winning the British Commonwealth middleweight title in 1958. Tiger won the WBA middleweight title in 1962, held it multiple times, and later moved up to win the light heavyweight title in 1966. His career included 81 professional bouts, 61 wins, 26 by knockout. Tiger was inducted into the International Boxing Hall of Fame in 1991. For more historical awareness stories like this, please like, share, and subscribe.